Hello! Have you missed me? What do you mean, no? Well, I am back. My season starts today. I'm going to take you up to the plot and we are going to plant seeds. Right, let's get up there. Bugger! It looks like I won't be planting any seeds today. Well, there you go. We had snow last night. Look at that. Although the sun is out, and I reckon this is going to be melted by, well, hopefully tomorrow or the next day. Look at that. There you go. It is starting to melt a bit. I'm always embarrassed to show you guys snow when we get it over here in the UK, because somebody like Ryan, who lives in Canada and is probably nuts deep in snow at the moment, this kind of snow, this small amount that we get over here, he'd probably consider this summer and perfect planting conditions compared to the stuff that he gets over there. Anyway, I did want to come up because I haven't been up to the plot for a while now, and I wanted to check. Hold on, let me show you. To see if I'd had any footprints. And there you go. You can see that some kind of critter has been in here. Stomped their way across that bed there. And then, I don't know, had a mess around here, gone up there, and then maybe gone back out. But yeah, that was the main reason I came up here, just to see if I'd got any tracks in the snow. Rabbit tracks mainly is what I was looking for, but no, it doesn't seem like it. I think those might be deer tracks. Anyway, yes, this was just a bit of a catch-up video really, just to say hello. I haven't forgotten about you. I hope you haven't forgotten about me. This is the reason why I don't start my videos too early on in the season. Because if I had planted out some, I don't know, or anything this early on in the season, this stuff would have killed it, or certainly set it back by a fair few months. Yeah, who knows, maybe a month or so. Anyway, even though I haven't been on YouTube for about a month, I have been getting on with stuff behind the scenes. I've been ordering up seeds. I've been going to garden centres, because garden centres are still open here in the UK despite us being in a lockdown. And yeah, I've got plans for this coming season. Oh, let's just get up here. Look at that. It is pretty. So yeah, like I was saying, plans are afoot for this coming growing season. I've got some good ideas and some probably bad ideas that I'm going to throw into the mix on my channel for 2021. My God, it's so bright out here. Anyway, I do have a video coming out in the next week or so. It's not gardening related, but it is garden related. So I hope you stick with me for that little masterpiece. Alright, you've probably had enough of me by now. So I'm going to love you and leave you and bugger off home. Right, what do I normally say? Thank you for joining me. If you have, remember to hit that like button, share, but most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next video, bye for now.